It's called Rua Gago Coutinho. It's kind of a little interesting space in here. So we're going to be filming this one. This is kind of out in this space. There's a big line of people all the way down here as well. I'm not sure why. And then we're going to be exploring this one. There's also DHL is across the street over there. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's check this out. Got an illegal park right here on the sidewalk. It's hard to find parking around in this city, such a dense city. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. I haven't been back in here before. Got these beautiful green buildings like this. And check that out. Some amazing balconies, wow. That space right there as well. I definitely have to come private car park. So it looks like this. Oh, okay. Huh. It's like a big sign right there too. But that looks amazing. There's a dog right there coming out of that one. So that's just kind of the dog right there. Let's just check that out. So there we go. I don't know how well you can see that at nighttime, but maybe from a different angle. Yeah, that's amazing. And somebody has this yard right here too. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a yard right there. It's hard to see at nighttime. Okay, so I don't know how much you can see in this space. There's our dog right there as well. But it has this kind of concave feature to it. I'll definitely have to film here again in the daytime. This is kind of cool. So it's kind of got these little shops here. I guess they like do car repair. A lot of car repair shops, and then all these apartments up above like that. And lots of nice balconies too. Wow. This is really cool space. Wish I could film this I'll have to come by another time. This is my first time to come down the street. I just hadn't really wow. This is really cool little space. So this is another one of those. Okay. So now that you have another like balcony right there, another balcony, another balcony. So that's the same as the other side, these beautiful balconies like that. And then you got all these kind of auto mechanic places all around here. Let's try to view this from this side. Okay, there we go. That is really cool. So yeah, it's kind of like a concave like that. And then some kind of, yeah, it's really interesting architectural design. Wow. And all these little spaces like that too. So yeah, somebody's living room is right there. And they kind of live in that little circular space, right? Amazing. Really, really beautiful. Okay. Glad that I saw this little thing. Look at all those balconies. Anyways, let's just see. Should be the same one. Rua Gago Coutinho. Let's see if we can just get across and take a look at it from this side. So yeah, this side you wouldn't really know. There's that big line of people all the way there. So yeah, this side you wouldn't really know that has such an interesting concave little structure to it like that. Okay, so hope you like that one. And we're gonna end it right there. For the view of those cool looking apartments. Amazing balconies, okay.